Right, so I've just walked off my second ever job. I've been going a year and a bit. This is the second one I've walked off, and I thought, bugger it, I'll try and get a video out of it at the very least, just to get something back from the afternoon. It's another dog poo situation. So and I must say my tolerance is getting a lot lower now. I've been a little bit soft in the past. Especially with regulars. As I say, I don't mind, clearing the odd little bit if they make an effort. I think that's perfectly kind of reasonable. This was going to be a regular. It was a one-off tidy today. There's two borders. There's a big back border kind of thing, and then there's the lawn. The lawn's probably 2 or 3 inches. A few sort of longer clumps in places, so it's quite long anyway. And as I say, it was going to be the one-off tidy, then I was going to be going back fortnightly to maintain it all. Customer wasn't there today. She was there last week. Very pleasant woman. I was happy to take on the garden. Probably one mistake now, and I will be doing this going forward. I will be asking, do you have pets? Couldn't hear any dogs. She didn't mention anything about pets, not that she necessarily would. The onus is on me to ask, and I will definitely be doing that next time. Because if she said yes, I've got a dog, I did inspect the garden. Obviously, I'm not saying these were there last week. I couldn't say anything last week. But if she said yes, I've got a dog, I'll be almost on my hands and knees having a little rake through the grass type of thing. So I'm going to put a few pictures up. I took some pictures this time. Last time I didn't. I counted, I think it was 6 separate bits, and I'm going to put them up now. So, if you don't want to say dog poo, look away for a second, they'll be over soon. So yeah, so as I say, about 6 separate bits. It wasn't caked, I have seen worse, I'm sure you guys have. But it was enough to say, it's a complete lack of respect from the customer. As I say, it's the first time I'm going to the garden. She should have made sure, if she knows the dog's poo on the grass, she should have made sure that at least the visible ones, because there were 2 or 3 ones that were on the surface, they should have been gone. When grass is a bit longer, fair enough, there might be the odd one that you cannot get from a customer's point of view. But she should have made an effort. She knew I was coming today. And as I say, it's a complete lack of respect. And as I'm getting busier, my tolerance is getting lower, so that was 60 quid for that job there. So I've knocked that on the head. But I'm getting calls every day. I don't feel I should be picking up other people's dog poo like that, especially when it's, multiple, what you would call them, loads. So I just thought I'd just do a video to have a little bit of a complaint, really. So that's my second job I've walked off. How many jobs, if you're watching this and you're a gardener, or any tradesman, how many jobs have you walked off since you've started? So this is my second, and there will be more. And I'll be sending her a little text. I haven't done that yet. I came straight on here and vented my anger. So I'll send her a little message saying, look, I started to weed the border. I was 10 minutes in, then had a little look, and I noticed something on the grass. I thought, oh, hey up, let's have another little look, and I found a few more surprises. So I was there 10 minutes. I'm not going to say I want any money for it, that's it. Yeah, so basically just a little update there. So I messaged her. I just said, obviously, look, like I found lots of dog poo on the garden, I'll not be able to do it. And it was the same old story, really, of just like, oh, well, I thought I cleaned it this morning, kind of thing, don't know how it's got there, blah, blah, blah. She was sorry after a couple of messages. So move on to the next one, basically. And as ever, if you're new here, I've got a full channel full of videos, so feel free to check them all out. I've got a playlist called I'm New Here, which kind of documents, my most popular videos, and it's more sort of what my channel's about. So check that out, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one, guys. Cheers, bye.